Securing Spring Boot API with API key and secret. This follows the same teaching style as your earlier Spring Boot topic. Introduction. When building REST APIs in Spring Boot, you often need to protect endpoints from unauthorized access. One simple and commonly used approach is API key plus secret authentication. This is widely used in internal services, third-party integrations, microservices communication, lightweight security scenarios. Example: X API key, my key. X API secret, my secret. This topic helps learners understand what API key and secret authentication is, how it works, how to implement it in Spring Boot, how to secure endpoints, best practices. This is a practical and beginner-friendly security approach. What is API key plus secret authentication? It is a simple authentication method where client sends a key and secret, server validates them, request is allowed or rejected. In simple terms, client means sends credentials, means server verifies, means access granted, denied. How it works. Example flow. Client means request with API key and secret, means server validates credentials, means if valid means process request, means if invalid means reject. 401. Why use API key plus secret? Useful when full authentication, OAuth JWT, is not needed service-to-service communication. Internal APIs quick security layer. Limitations: not as secure as OAuth JWT. No user-level authentication. Key leakage risk. No built-in expiration. We will read API key and secret from headers, validate them, allow or reject request, integrate with Spring Security Filter. Step 1. Define API key and secret. Application.properties. API.security.key, my key. API.security.secret, my secret. Step 2. Create filter. At component, public class API key auth filter extends once per request filter. At value dot API security key, private string API key. At value $ API security dot secret. Override protected void do filter internal. HTTP servlet request HTTP servlet response filter chain throws servlet exception IO exception. String key equals request.getHeader x API key. Secret equals request.getHeader x API secret. If API key equals key and API secret equals secret, filter chain do filter. Request response. Else, response.setStatus, HTTP servlet response SC unauthorized. Response.getWriter.write, unauthorized. Example concept. Request means filter checks headers, means validates, means continues, or blocks. Step 3. Configure security. At bean public security filter chain, HTTP filter chain, throws exception, http.csrf disable. Authorize HTTP requests, auth, any request, authenticated. Add filter before, API key auth filter, username password authentication filter class. Return http.build. Example concept. Filter added means runs before authentication, means validates API key. Step 4. Test request. Get API data, X API key, my key, X API secret, my secret. Success response 200 OK. Failure response 401 unauthorized. Optional enhancements. Restrict only certain endpoints. Request matchers, public // permit all. Request matchers, secure // authenticated. Request.getRequestURI starts with public. Filterchain.doFilter, request, response. Return. Use base64 encoding optional. String encoded equals base64 get encoder, encode to string, key, secret. Get bytes, store keys securely. Avoid hard coding. Use environment variables. Use secrets manager, AWS, Azure. Example, using environment variables. API security key, my key. API security secret, my secret. Best practices include: never hardcode secrets in code. Use HTTPS. Always rotate API keys regularly. Limit access by IP if possible. Log failed attempts. Avoid exposing keys in frontend. Example concept. Secure storage plus validation means safer API. Common mistakes. 1. Hard coding keys. Security risk. 2. Not using HTTPS. Headers can be intercepted. 3. Logging secrets. Never log API secrets. 4. Not validating null values. API key equals key. May throw NPE. Fix. API key equals null and API key equals key. 5. Applying filter to all endpoints unnecessarily. Use selective protection. Advantages: simple to implement. Lightweight, no session required. Good for internal APIs. Easy integration. Challenges: key management, lack of user identity, security limitations, manual rotation needed. Concepts learned in this topic. What API key and secret authentication is, how it works, how to implement filter, how to secure endpoints. Simple definition. API key plus secret security. A method of securing APIs by validating a client-provided key and secret in request headers. Final summary. To secure Spring Boot API with API key and secret. Create filter to validate headers. Add filter to security chain. Store credentials securely. Use HTTPS. Example. If API key equals key and API secret equals secret. Key idea. Simple header-based authentication can secure APIs for internal or lightweight use cases.